YouTube has a really helpful analytics tool that shows you all kinds of data. Sometimes I think it's overwhelming, probably a little bit too much for me, but it does show that a lot of you are watching my videos, but not everybody subscribes. So I don't know, maybe you forgot. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe. Thank you. Wow, what a fun little piece. Great way to finish the book. I'm glad they're mixing classical music with some contemporary music, such as jazz and something else from pop culture. It's great. I think it's wonderful, and we should be trying more than just classical music because, well, the world is changing and we need to change too. This is cool, just my opinion. Well, if you guys enjoyed this book, enjoyed my videos, I recorded the whole book. You can watch the playlist. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel as a member. That would provide very little fee, but it would provide great support for me. And I hope to see you as a member soon. Thank you very much for considering. Thank you for your support.